Unique Queens, Quiana Unique here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing of the Your Natural Hair box. But to go along with this box is the giveaway. I know you guys have been waiting for me to give away those 3 boxes, and you do not have to wait anymore. At the end of this video, I will announce the winners of the 3 boxes. Winners or winner, who knows? But stay tuned to the end of this video to see if you are one of the lucky winners of the Your Natural Hair box. But first, we are going to open this one. I've already picked it open because I normally have a hard time opening these, but I have not looked in this box. This is the one for July. I am actually on it. I am recording this July 31st, you guys. So I'm on it this time. On it, doggone it. Yes! They just sent this in. I just received this box. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Here I go again. Try not to drop stuff. Okay, before I open this, whoever is not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any more of these unboxings. Do I have to wait, or are you gonna go ahead and do it? You know where it's at? Down there. Yes, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell right next to it. Yeah, you know you're already there. Go ahead, hit it. And you won't miss out on any of my videos and what's in these boxes. This is hair gold. I'm telling you, I can feel it in this one. Let's see. Okay, so first, this is the model. I'm gonna cover my face. This is the model. I wonder who this is. She looks familiar. Like I know everybody, huh? But this is the model on the front cover. This, we're not gonna open this. This has what all the hair products are. We wanna be surprised. When we pull open this tab here, sticker tab. Okay, I'm gonna stop playing with you guys. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is this a box takeover? This is a box takeover. This is the perfect box for a giveaway video. Y'all are gonna get the other 3 boxes, and look at it, it's a box takeover. Hey, girls, I think I'm gonna keep this one. All right, let's see what's in here. With our first product here, let me tell you, I love Lotta Body. This is the Lotta Body with coconut and shea oil, Style Me texturizing setting lotion. Ready to use. You can just put you a little spray thing in here if you want to, but it has a pop top. I've used Lotta Body products before. I have not used this, and I am so super excited. This says it creates a super hold. Great for body, for all natural hair types and textures. You can use this on relaxed hair as well as natural hair. That's what I really like about Lotta Body. They say those things and it really is true. Now, this is a coconut line that they have. And actually, this is the only product that I can really use with coconut in it. I haven't used this, like I said, but I've used their Style Milk, I think is what it's called. Styling milk, and I love the way it feels in my hair, and it's just so awesome. Now, this came with a little sample here, and the sample is the Love Me 5-in-1 Miracle Styling Cream. It detangles, conditions, it has a heat protectant in it, it adds moisture and shine, prevents split ends, tames frizz, is for relaxed and natural hair. You got a sample here. Let's see if there's anything else in this booklet about this product here that I did not mention. Okay, and I did not go in order. I never go in order of this thing. I be thinking that I'm grabbing the right one that's gonna be in the first one, but anyway. Okay, so it's a 12-ounce bottle, This is a salon favorite for years is what it says. Lotta Body is perfect for wet setting, blow styling, or wavy, natural, or relaxed hair. I think that is so amazing. That is so amazing. So, some extra information in there on this setting lotion. All right, next let's grab this baby. I hope you can see. I know I got some glaring going on. Some glare on there. Okay, now this is the new Lotta Body with coconut and shea oil Hydrate Me moisturizing shampoo. A shampoo. Oh my gosh. You know, I thought this was going to be a big bottle of styler, and it is a shampoo. Moisturize, deeply cleans hair. It strengthens and helps protect from breakage, detangles, and adds shine. Oh my gosh, for all hair types. Great, great, great. Let's look at what else is in here. Okay, our next product here. Let's see if you can get that. I know these lights are awful. Okay, this is the new Lotta Body with coconut and shea oil Hydrate Me moisturizing conditioner. They blessed us with a shampoo and conditioner. Hey, I am happy. All right, once again, moisturizing and nourishing hair, strengthens and helps prevent breakage, detangles, and adds shine for all hair types. Wow. So we're going to move on. I have one more product in here. And here it is. This is the Lotta Body with coconut and shea oil Control Me Edge Gel. All right. Everybody need their edges a little laid every now and then. I like to go natural edges when I'm wearing my wash and go for the first day. But after that, day 2 and 3, probably all the way up to 6 or 7, I do something with my edges. But first day, I like to have it all natural curly. You get to see all the goodness. But anyway, back to the product. This is enriched with coconut and shea oil. This formula deeply penetrates and hydrates hair, leaving hair soft and nourished with a shine. Okay. Non-flaking, which is really important. Moisturize, shine, yeah. Okay, so once again, a lovely box. This was a complete takeover from Lotta Body in this Your Natural Hair box. This is for the month of July, like I stated before. I am super excited about these products. I am going to keep this box. I'm giving away 3 already, you guys. So come on, let me keep at least 1. I'm keeping it. It's a takeover and I want it. long wait on this 3-box giveaway. I have all the boxes right next to me and I have my iPad here. So we're going to go ahead and look and see who our winners are. Okay, so we're going to start with box number 1. Box number 1, if you don't remember, it was the one with Carol's daughter in it. And if you want to watch that video again, you can go ahead and watch. But you know, if you haven't seen it, go ahead and see what this person is about to win. So I am just going to go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Ooh. And I am going to stop right here. The winner of box number 1 is a brown skin Capricorn. Okay, she sent this one 2 months ago. It says nice box, so many natural hair products, too many to try, LOL. Those 2 lines are on my try list. Yes, I hope you keep doing these unboxing videos. Hey, yeah, let's keep going. They are interesting and give us a chance to learn about new products. And and it says TFS. So congratulations, brown skin Capricorn. You are the winner of the box 1. And I'm gonna start calling myself brown skin Libra. Hey, it's cute. Okay, now we're on to box number 2. If you do not remember this box, this was the takeover box with all of YG's products, Talia YG, if I'm pronouncing that right. I always get tongue-tied. But anyway, we have that here, and let's see. You guys did your thing. I want to say I love you, first of all, before I choose this next person. I know the intense is building up, but the suspense is building up. I get it. But I would like to say I love you guys. I appreciate every single one of you who are following me, who are saying keep going, we love you, all of that. I love it, I love it, love it. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Okay, now I found my person. I am going to go with Carolyn Adams. She says any box will be a blessing. I hear you. Amen. We just trying to get these curls and kinks and everything into place. So you are going to win box 2. Box 2 is yours, girl. I love you. You get it. Okay, we are down to our last box. I definitely decided to give every box to someone different. Not everybody's getting one box. That's a lot of products, you guys, but you guys wanted it. Anyway, box number 3. If you do not remember box number 3, this is the one with the Dr. Naturals in it. And I really like that box because it was a lot of products in there that I have never seen before or tried. And so whoever gets this box, I want you to let me know how it works in your hair. Whoever's hair you're going to put it in, just let me know how it works. All right, so let's see. This time, let's see, I'm going to go up and down. All right, I'm going to stop here. This one is from, let's see, who is the winner? We're going to go with Andrea Gibson. She says, oh my goodness, I truly need something like this for my grandchildren's hair. Yes, if I don't win, good luck to all. Well, at least she wished you guys good luck. But, honey, you won. Go ahead and put that in them grandbabies' hair. I want to know, how does it work in everybody's hair? Put it in yours, too. Put it in yours, too. Okay, congratulations to my 3 winners. I'm excited for you. I cannot wait until you guys tell me how these products work in your hair or grandbaby's hair, as the other lady said for box number 3. Okay, so for me to get in contact with you, for you to get in contact with me, it would either have to be through Instagram, direct messaging, or you can send me an email, because right now YouTube has gotten rid of their private messaging, and that's how I was contacting people before. But anyway, if you go ahead, send me an email, and this is for business only. I'm not asking for everybody to send me a message. Like, I don't want that, because I'm not going to be able to reply to everybody, just my 3 winners. So yes, definitely send in your address through email, or if you have Instagram, DM me, and I feel like that's probably the best way for us to communicate. I'm so excited. I got me some products to keep. You 3 ladies got you some products coming to you soon. And hey, there's going to be another box next month. Who knows? I may keep it or I may share with you guys. Until next time, as always, be unique. See you next week.